Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Whizz Kids Online. My name is Amarachi and today we are going to be making invisible ink with lemon juice. So what I have here with me today, I have a lamp, but you can use any form of heat source. I also have some pieces of paper. I have lemon, some cotton buds, and I have some water. So in this container, I've already gone ahead to mix half of a lemon into it with a few drops of water. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab your cotton bud and you're just going to mix that around just to make sure that the water and the lemon juice is all mixed in nicely. And then you're just going to tap off some of the excess and you're going to grab a piece of paper and you can write a secret message or you can draw a picture. So I'm just gonna do a nice little image here, simple image. And what you're gonna do next is you're gonna leave it off to the side to dry for around 5 to 10 minutes. But I've already prepared one beforehand. And what you have to do with this is you get your light source, your heat source, and you place the piece of paper on top of it with the light bulb turned on, and you just let that sit for a while and it will start heating up the secret message or the image. So basically what's happening is the heat is basically oxidizing the lemon juice, and when it oxidizes, it turns it into a darker color. And that's when your secret message or your image is revealed. So I really hope you had so much fun doing this, and I hope you can try this at home yourselves. And see you next time for another episode of Whizz Kids Online. See you later.